Hello guys, welcome back to our channel.
In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add or remove manager or any role to your YouTube channel. For more information about this tutorial, visit our article. Link provided in the description. Open YouTube in any browser. Click on Sign In and enter into your account. If you don't know how to create a YouTube channel, check out our article and link will be provided in the description. Click on your profile and drop-down menu will open. Select YouTube Studio. Then, you are redirected to your channel studio page. Click on Settings option, which is on left bottom of the window. Then, Settings window will pop up. Select Permissions. There on the right top of that pop-up, you will see Invite option. Click on Invite. Then, a small pop-up will open. Enter email of whom you want to invite. Then, click on drop-down option in Access section. There you will see 5 options like Manager, Editor, Editor, Limited, Viewer, Limited and their control on our channel. Then, click on Done and click on Save. A mail will be sent to the provided email ID. After accepting the invitation by the user, their account will be displayed in the Permissions window. How to remove manager role. Click on drop-down menu of the user, under Access section, click on Remove Access, and click on Save. Then, the user is removed from the manager role. Hope you liked this tutorial. For more information, visit our article. Link provided in the description.